absolutely. But overall, you can see this was a heavy resistance area where we're currently at right now. Going back to March of 2024, it was a support area here, and then it was resistance all right here. So us being above it right now and it acting as support with all the indicators as juiced up as they are, I don't see any reason why we would capitulate much lower. I mean, some people are like, oh my gosh, we're going down to 1.5. I don't think we're going down to 1.5, guys. I think if anything, we'll flirt around this general area, and the bottom is very, very close. We don't have any more time or room to run down that low. All the indicators are at ground floor, ground zero, right? And then if we draw a general support area at that 1.7, that goes all the way back to April of 2022. Now, I don't think we're going to be falling down here. You can see we did spend quite a bit of time bouncing between these two general levels every time we get back in there. So if we fall back in there, go high in your bunker. We'll probably have to wait till, June, July, but I don't think that is the case. I think this is the last shakeout before we start heading up to that 5 cents area, guys. That very, very important resistance area going back to March of 2022. So what I want to focus on now is let's draw some fibs. I haven't looked at this chart yet, so I'm actually charting this off the fly right now, just like you guys. So there's a couple different fib levels that we want to look at here. We're going to look at some short fibs, some long fibs, the overall fibs that support. So you did happen to break below that 382, which is very unfortunate. And there is a support here at 2.1. Can we wick down the 2.1? Absolutely, guys. I don't care about these low wicks right here. I care about the body of the candle. Can we wick down to 2.1 and then rally higher? Absolutely. That could definitely be on the table right there. So you can see that 236 was a resistance area for quite a few times back in 2024. That 236 was a resistance area. So maybe on top of the clip I unloaded, I will put another clip in the chamber and put a buy order in at about, I would say 215. I'll put a buy order in at 215 just in case we go down there. But overall, I'm holding this bag, man. It's just indicators and everything are looking too good to pass up. And we're about ready to break that historic resistance of 0.5. If we break above 0.5, that's when we start seeing the money printer go brrr, and that's kind of what we want to see. So the day chart, yes, is looking fantastic. The 4-hour time frame, look at this. 4-hour time frame, unfortunately, is showing that we might be going a little bit lower. Not too concerned about that whatsoever. But yeah, we could be seeing a little bit lower for Jasmine here in the next, just today or so. But overall, I think the bottom is very, very close. That's why I bought in. I'm not too concerned whatsoever about it. What got me so excited about it was the day chart, that powerful resistance area, which we're really close to overtaking, which means if we overtake that, we go parabolic, and then this giant cup and handle pattern, guys. So there's a lot more bullish momentum going on for Jasmine than bearish right now. Now I want to draw a fib from the Coinbase high to the low. And as you can see, we do have a fib up here at about $1.25. Realistically, I do think Jasmine can break above this and go up to $1.25 for a high, and then we'll probably top out somewhere between that 1.236 and that 1.618 area. So I'll probably start taking profits once we get close to this 1.236. Once we get close to $1 area, that's where I'll start taking my profits. But overall, I think Jasmine's most likely working its way up to $1. It probably won't reach that dollar level, until the middle of the year, guys. Maybe earlier. Who knows? Maybe Jasmine will drop a bomb on us. Excuse me. Now that we're in a bull run, maybe they can drop some huge news that just creates a god candle. But overall, guys, we've been consolidating on Jasmine since March of 2024. There's not a whole lot more you can say on it. The consolidation phase is almost over, in my personal opinion. Once that consolidation phase is over, it's to the moon. But I'll put in another buy order. I'm still holding. I'm a part of the Jasmy. What do you guys call yourself? The Jasmy army now. It's just a lot of the longer term indicators are looking fantastic. So keep an eye on 0.5, guys. We get up to 0.5. That's when you better hoot and holler, because we really need to smash below that. Now, another quick thing. I just saw this uptrend. We are currently hitting uptrend support. This is big. We do not want to break below this uptrend support. So this is another conviction play that we'll see that bounce here and start rallying up. And the next rally up from this downtrend will be overtaking this 0.5 and then heading off to the moon. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.